Understanding the phrase, join the protest, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, join the protest. This is a common expression, especially in news and social discussions. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the meaning, but also the context and usage of this phrase. So, let's get started. Join the protest is made up of two key components, join and protest. Let's look at them individually. Join. This verb means to become a member of or to participate in something. Protest. A protest is a public demonstration expressing strong objection to something. It's a way people show disagreement or demand change. When put together, join the protest means to become part of a group that is publicly demonstrating against something. Protests can be about a wide range of issues like political demands, environmental concerns, human rights, and more. They are a form of public expression and are often seen as a part of democratic rights. Understanding the context of a protest is crucial to grasp the full meaning of the phrase. Let's see some examples. 1. Many people decided to join the protest against climate change. 2. She encouraged her friends to join the protest for equal rights. In these sentences, the phrase is used to indicate participation in a collective action for a cause. This phrase also carries certain cultural and social implications. It suggests an active involvement in societal issues and a willingness to stand up for beliefs. However, it's important to know that joining a protest can mean different things in different cultures. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, join the protest. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about context and culture. Keep exploring, and you'll master English in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.